This is where, have you ever tried to build an online business and suddenly realized you need 5 or 6 different tools just to get started? One tool for funnels, another for email marketing, something else for booking appointments. Before you know it, you're paying hundreds of dollars every month just to keep everything running. But what if one platform could replace all of it? That's exactly why more creators, agencies, and local businesses are switching to GoHighLevel. The biggest problem beginners run into with online marketing isn't effort. It's tool overwhelm. Someone tells you to use one platform for funnels, another for email, another for SMS marketing, another for scheduling. Then you have to connect everything together with integrations. Instead of focusing on growing your business, you spend most of your time trying to make your software work together. This is where GoHighLevel changes the game. Instead of using 5 or 6 different marketing tools, GoHighLevel combines them all into one platform. Inside one dashboard, you can build funnels and landing pages, send email campaigns, automate follow-ups, send SMS messages, manage leads in a CRM, and book appointments. Everything works together because it's built into one system. That means fewer subscriptions, fewer integrations, and far less confusion. This is one of the main reasons agencies and marketers have been adopting GoHighLevel so quickly. Instead of duct taping different tools together, they run their entire marketing system from one place. For beginners, this is a huge advantage. You don't need to master 10 different platforms. You just learn one system that handles your funnels, leads, automation, and follow-ups. And once it's set up properly, much of your marketing can run on autopilot. If you're just getting started, the most important thing is understanding what actually matters first when using GoHighLevel. Click the link in the description to get your free GoHighLevel for Beginners, What Actually Matters First ebook. And also click the link in the description to start a free trial of GoHighLevel.